pretty cool, pretty cool. Alright, no idea if it's recording now. But I am playing my Singing Monsters because it is time for a new Celestial. It's time for a new Celestial. And it is Vhamp. My second last Celestial that I'm ever gonna get. Besides the adults. I don't know if I'm ever gonna go get those because those are pains in the cheeks. But, yeah. I have no idea if my mic is loud enough, but it's probably fine. Alright, here we go. The last Tweedle. The last Tweedle. Celestial. Right there, the last one. I did all this. Hey. 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 Hey, I'm all... Oh, okay. My goodness, guys. It's time. Hey. Alright, here we go. Reviving time. Oh my gosh, I did it. Wait, why is it that way? Why was it facing that way? Alright, let's see if I can take a screenshot. I'm scared. You know what? I'll do it after. I'll take a screenshot after. Why is the collection book so small? Why is it facing this way? But then I guess turning around then. What's up? Oh man, Vhamp is pretty cool. I like Vhamp. Well, that's 11 out of 12. Rares. What is other rares? Wait, rares. Ooh. I mean, I guess they're basically, I don't know, whatever. Well, I gotta mess with my song a little bit. Because yes, that doesn't sound like this. Do I need Plixie? But it takes so much monsters though. Whoa! I might give it at this. It's fast, but I like the. Well, this is my last Celestial. I need to get 70 noggins, 35 maws, 15 octopuses. Frogs are light work. Embrats, I mean, I have rare Embrats, so I'll be fine. And everything else is pretty easy. Well, if nothing happens Wednesday, then I guess I'll get raiding. But for now, this is it. And I'm out of here. Please, end the recording. Stop it. Oh, auto rotate. Get out of here.